Dear readers, welcome back. How are you? Are you centered, feeling, thinking, believing, or acting? Distance learning, think to self, and in person we'll have a quick circle share. Here's your video. Ignite. Do you remember character traits of a persona in a song, rap, or poem? Chunk into pieces. Ha from inside out and back again. In the beginning, she could be sneaky. On the boat, Ha helped her brother deal with sudden traumatic change with kindness and a generous act. She uses her one possession to cradle his dear chick, who had died for a serious burial at sea that helps him transition. And in locomotion, Lani is creative, loving, strong, generous, gives props to their students, a new kid. And you can start thinking my main character choice book. In your book, how would you describe your main character? And you can chew on it on the My Character Traits Jamboard. That will give you examples. So this will help you find an answer. Review. So far, my main character is, use character traits. Bonus sentence stem. I predict that the character's traits will affect how they deal with the main problem of the book because, or make a prediction about the main problem of the book so far. Homework, update your Google Doc reading log. If you do not have a reading log now, start one and have the author and title and start adding a quote with page number per week. Keeping a log means that you will have notes if you ever have a chance to write about the book you are reading now. And bonus level homework, start notes that compare contrast different novels. Compare contrast essays got me through many papers in high school and college. Thank you.